What is the primary goal of software testing? Which of the following is not a black box testing technique? What is the purpose of boundary value analysis in software testing? Which type of testing is performed to verify that the software system functions correctly after modifications or enhancements? What is the purpose of static code analysis in software development? Which software testing technique involves executing test cases that mimic real-world scenarios and user interactions? What is the primary goal of debugging in software development? Which software maintenance activity involves modifying the software to enhance its performance or add new features? What is the purpose of configuration management in software maintenance? Which software testing technique involves analyzing the internal structure of the software and executing test cases based on code paths?